is written on it.
Did you say you're making a mountain body?
I'm putting up the teeth.
Oh, hard to do.
Have a rock on the monkey's body. Look at my daddy. Uh-oh! I'm the monkey's body. I'm looking at the name.
What are you doing?
You're using your binoculars? Did you say you're looking at what you made? Where's your binoculars? Show me. Put them on your eyes. And show mommy. Look at mommy now. Oh, that's cute.
I am way down my monkey's body.
This is Zane and Daddy Rowdy time.
Whoa. This is me getting abused time. Ah.
That's
What?
funny.
That's funny.
Oh my goodness. Is Daddy gonna make a body mountain out of you?
Body mountain.
Okay, lay down. Where's Zane?
Whoa, there's a person in there.
You broke your whole house?
Yeah. I didn't get it.
You guys were being a lot more rowdy before I started recording you.
Zane got tired.
I heard all kinds of yelling and
He got
hollering.
tired.
I'm guessing you got tired too.
Go to sleep, Zane.
August 24th,
Go to
Zane
sleep.
is 2 years, 8 months. He had his first day of, well, he had a mini first day of preschool today, where he and I went for an hour to check out the preschool and play. Zane, you want to say hi to the camera? Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Say, I'm having rowdy time.
It's rowdy time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.